Hey guys, it's Marley with Sunset Properties. Today I want to take you on a tour of Las Palmas 204. First, let's take a look at the pool. This condo is located on West Beach and it's just across the road from the beach, so let's go in and see it. When you come in, you'll see your kitchen on your right. You've got those stainless steel appliances and everything you need to cook meals here in the condo. Let's step right here to the first bedroom. It's got 2 twin beds. And out this way, you've got the first bathroom. This has a stand-up shower. Now here we have the living room. You've got a sleeper sofa here. I'm actually going to take you in the master before I take you out on the balcony. So the master bedroom here has a king-size bed and a private bathroom. Now let's step out on the balcony. Now here you have a view of the bay. Alright, so we would love to have you come visit Las Palmas 204. This condo is a perfect place to be right by the beach. You can book it at the link in the description, or you can call or text us at 251-543-1370. I'll see you at sunset.